There are two things important. Number one is air, and number two is water. The plant needs it to grow, the cows need to drink, but also producing food. It's really important to have good water.
People think water is cheap, water is plentiful, water is always going to be there. And companies have to start looking at water as the same as aid ingredient they have, whether it's a capital cost, a labor cost, a raw material cost. Water is a key input, a key ingredient for the food and beverage sector.
Bloom is helping us out to monitor our water use. If we don't use the good water practices, I think it's going to cost us at the end way more, or it's going to be impossible to have good water.
Well, typical of any food and beverage company, they really don't know their operations in terms of how much water they're using and where it's being used in the operation. So the first thing that we normally do is let's get a really good understanding of that.
We were running a little short in our supply of water. So we had a meter in just to get aware all the water we want to use. Is it necessary to use? Where can we save water? Do we need to use that much water? Can we do it on a different way? Can we reuse it?
And water efficiency or water conservation is really the same as a new water supply source. You can be more efficient with how you use water, you obviously save money, therefore you can start to plan for the future.
We're growing pretty fast. When there is more cheese needed, we need more capacity, we need more water. And if you can save on a day 300 liters, it's only a couple bucks. But over the whole year, it's quite a bit of money.
One of the great opportunities Adam has, given that he actually has a farm here with a lot of barns, and those barns always have a lot of roof area and roof space. So one option that we considered is rainwater harvesting.
When you have a big thunderstorm and there's a lot of rain coming and everything is washing away and you can collect that water, using that water makes so much more sense. You have nice water, it's soft, it's clean water.
I think we've had great success so far, and we've been able to, one, determine how much water Adam has been using, where that's being used, but most importantly, start to lay out what the options are available to him moving forward to actually close what we call this water supply gap in their operation.
It's going good. We're blessed with a group of people around us who really are determined and have passion for what we're doing. All naturally good, that's for sure.